Want to know how to download Tally Prime? Today, we will guide you through the process. Tally Prime, a comprehensive business management software, is a crucial tool for businesses of all sizes. We're going to guide you through the process of downloading and installing Tally Prime. Let's get started with the first step, which is downloading the software. To begin, navigate to the official Tally Solutions website. Here, explore your way to the download section. This is your gateway to the world of Tally Prime. The versions available cater to diverse needs. You might find the Tally Prime Silver version a perfect fit for standalone devices, while Tally Prime Gold would be ideal for multiple users on a local area network. Make your choice based on your specific requirements. Once you have selected the suitable version, the download will start, and thus you're one step closer to leveraging the power of Tally Prime. After the download is complete, it's time to install Tally Prime. Begin by locating the downloaded setup file, typically found in your Downloads folder. Give it a double click to run the installer. During the installation, you'll be prompted to choose the installation directory. You can opt for the default directory or select a custom location that suits your needs. Now, it's time to decide on the components you wish to install. Generally, this would include the Tally Prime software and any additional components that come with your selected version. If you're using a licensed version, you might need to enter licensing details, such as the serial number and activation key. After the installation process is complete, you can run Tally Prime. Now that Tally Prime is installed, there are a few more steps to complete. If you're using a licensed version, you'll need to activate your license. Simply follow the instructions provided during the activation process. Once your license is active, you're all set to create a new company or open an existing one in Tally Prime. Just navigate through the intuitive interface to get started, and that's it. You've successfully downloaded and installed Tally Prime. Downloading and installing Tally Prime is a straightforward process. Visit the official site, select your preferred version, run the installer, choose the components, and configure the licensing. After installation, activate your license and start your company. Thank you for watching. We hope this guide was helpful. For more such guides, stay tuned.